In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a building grow animation in After Effects. This technique is perfect for real estate videos, city animations, and infographic designs. The first step is to create a new composition. Set the background color to black. Import the building image. Make sure it is a PNG file, then resize it to fit the composition. Pre-compose the layer and name it Building. Now we need to divide the building into 3 parts using masks. Use the pen tool carefully to achieve clean and precise results. Rename the pre-composition to Building 01 and duplicate it. Move the mask downward, but adjust only the top points, just like I'm doing. Then refine the mask to isolate the middle section of the building. Duplicate the pre-composition again and repeat the same process to obtain the bottom section. Now we can start the animation. Move to the 2-second mark in the timeline and create position keyframes for all layers. Return to the beginning of the timeline and reposition each section. After 1 second, raise the top section higher and move the middle section slightly to create a subtle bounce effect. Adjust the bottom section from the start so when it rises, it settles directly into place without bouncing. To do that, delete the middle keyframe after 1 second and move the last keyframe back into position. Apply Easy Ease to all keyframes. Use the speed graph to make the motion start quickly. Adjust the other sections in the speed graph as I'm doing. Nice, but in my opinion, I'll make a few small tweaks and shorten the animation time to make it slightly faster. Perfect. Now let's add depth when the building separates. Draw a shape using the pen tool. Remove the stroke and keep only the fill, then choose a darker color from the building. After drawing, move the shape layer below so it appears realistic and parent it to the top section. Duplicate the shape. Adjust it for the middle section and parent it to building 02. Enable motion blur. Next, we'll add a shake effect. Before that, pre-compose all layers. Open the pre-composition and create an adjustment layer. Apply the transform effect and add a slider control effect. Duplicate the slider control. Go to the position property in the transform effect, hold Alt, and add an expression. Type wiggle. Link the wiggle values to the first slider control. Add a comma, then link the second value to slider control 02. Now animate the shake. At the beginning of the timeline, set slider 1 to 1. Set slider 2 to 5. After 1 second, return both values to 0. 1 frame later, change the values to 5 and 25. Move forward slightly in the timeline and return the values to 0. Adjust the keyframes so the shake matches perfectly with the building landing. And here is the final result. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you.